The Igbo people of southeastern Nigeria have a rich culture, deeply rooted in traditions and customs that have been passed down through generations. Their culture is full of symbols and beliefs that reflect their worldview and way of life. One of the most powerful and revered symbols in Igbo culture is the Ikenga, an intricately carved wooden figure. The Ikenga is not just any figure, it holds significant meaning and represents much more than its physical form. It embodies a man's personal strength, his achievements, and his ability to overcome challenges. The Ikenga serves as a constant reminder of his chi, his personal god, and the spiritual guidance he receives. For Igbo men, the Ikenga is an essential part of their identity and cultural heritage. It symbolizes their achievements, their hard work, and their success in various endeavors. The Ikenga is a testament to their perseverance and dedication, representing the fruits of their labor. Men keep their Ikenga in their personal shrines, a sacred space where they can connect with their spiritual beliefs. They make offerings to the Ikenga, seeking blessings and favor from their personal god. In times of need, they ask for guidance and protection, trusting in the power of the Ikenga to lead them. The Ikenga is more than just a statue. It is a profound symbol of the Igbo way of life. It serves as a reminder of the core values that define the Igbo people. Values such as determination, hard work, and resilience are embodied in the Ikenga. These values continue to be important today, guiding modern Igbo people in their daily lives. The Ikenga connects modern Igbo people to their ancestors, preserving a rich cultural heritage that continues to thrive. The origins of the Ikenga are shrouded in myth and legend. These stories have been passed down through generations, each adding a layer of mystery and reverence to the Ikenga's history. Stories tell of a powerful ancestor, a revered figure in Igbo lore, who was the first to receive the Ikenga. This ancestor was known for his wisdom and strength, qualities that the Ikenga symbolizes. He received the first Ikenga from a deity, a divine gift that was bestowed upon him during a time of great need. This deity was believed to be a guardian of the Igbo people, watching over them and guiding them through challenges. This gift gave him great power, not just physical strength but also the power of foresight and wisdom. With the Ikenga, he was able to lead his people to prosperity and protect them from harm. He became successful in all he did, whether it was in battle, in leadership, or in the everyday tasks of life. The Ikenga was a constant reminder of his connection to the divine and his duty to his people. This story teaches an important lesson about the source of personal power and the importance of staying true to one's roots. It emphasizes the value of wisdom, courage, and the guidance of ancestors. It teaches about the source of personal power, which is not just in physical strength, but also in the wisdom and guidance passed down from ancestors. The Ikenga is a symbol of this power and connection. Over time, the Ikenga became an important part of Igbo culture, representing not just personal power, but also the collective strength and heritage of the Igbo people. It is a symbol of their identity and resilience. It was passed down through generations from father to son, each generation adding their own stories and experiences to the legacy of the Ikenga. This tradition ensured that the values and lessons of the past were never forgotten. Fathers gave it to their sons during important rites of passage, marking the transition from boyhood to manhood. This act was a powerful symbol of continuity and the unbroken chain of heritage. This ensured the continuation of the tradition, as each new generation took on the responsibility of preserving and honoring the Ikenga. It was a way of keeping their history and culture alive. The Ikenga became a symbol of lineage and heritage, a tangible link to the past and a source of inspiration for the future. It embodies the values and spirit of the Igbo people. The Ikenga is a testament to the Igbo people. They value their history and understand the importance of preserving their cultural heritage. It is a symbol of their resilience and pride. They understand the importance of storytelling, as it is through these stories that their history and values are passed down. Storytelling is a vital part of their culture, connecting the past with the present. These stories keep their culture alive, ensuring that the lessons and values of the past continue to guide them. They are a source of strength and identity for the Igbo people. They connect them to their past, providing a sense of continuity and belonging. The Ikenga and the stories surrounding it are a testament to the enduring spirit of the Igbo people. The Ikenga is not just a random figure, it is carefully crafted. Every detail has meaning. Each element of the Ikenga is imbued with cultural significance reflecting the values and beliefs of the Igbo people. The craftsmanship involved in creating an Ikenga is meticulous, ensuring that every aspect of the figure conveys a specific message. It is usually depicted as a male figure. This male representation is not arbitrary, it symbolizes strength, virility, and the protective role of men in Igbo society. The male form of the Ikenga is a testament to the importance of masculinity and leadership within the community. It has horns, symbolizing power and authority. The horns are often large and prominent, signifying the ability to lead and command respect. They are a visual representation of the individual's prowess and capability to influence others. The figure often holds objects. These objects are not mere decorations, they are carefully chosen to represent various aspects of success and personal achievement. These objects represent success and achievement. They might include items like tools of trade, weapons, or symbols of wealth, each telling a story of the owner's accomplishments and aspirations. A common object is the machete. The machete is a powerful symbol representing hard work, resilience, and the ability to clear obstacles in one's path. It represents hard work and the ability to overcome obstacles. The presence of the machete in the Ikenga's hand is a reminder of the importance of perseverance and determination in achieving one's goals. Another object is the oji, or kola nut. The kola nut is a significant cultural symbol, often used in ceremonies and rituals to signify hospitality and goodwill. It represents prosperity and hospitality. The inclusion of the kola nut in the Ikenga's hand underscores the value placed on generosity and the sharing of wealth within the community. The Ikenga's posture is also significant. The stance of the Ikenga often conveys readiness and alertness, reflecting the warrior spirit and the readiness to defend one's honor and community. It often shows a warrior stance. This warrior stance is a powerful symbol of courage and determination, embodying the qualities of bravery and resilience. This represents courage and determination. Every Ikenga is unique. Each figure is personalized to reflect the individual achievements and aspirations of its owner, making it a deeply personal and meaningful artifact. It reflects the aspirations of its owner. The Ikenga serves as a visual representation of the owner's goals, dreams, and accomplishments, acting as a source of inspiration and motivation. Some Ikenga have additional symbols. These additional symbols are carefully chosen to represent specific personal or communal goals. These symbols represent specific goals. They might include symbols of wealth, fertility, or success in various endeavors, each adding to the narrative of the Ikenga. These goals might be wealth, children, or a good harvest. The Ikenga thus becomes a comprehensive visual vocabulary of power, success, and personal achievement, deeply rooted in the cultural heritage of the Igbo people.